Hi, my name is Dr. Hazel Almeida, and I've been working at Wokat Hospital, Mira Road, as a senior medical officer for over 4 years now.
Hi, I'm Dr. Manjusha Agarwal, consultant physician at Global Hospital, Parel, Mumbai.
People's perspectives changed towards healthcare workers during the pandemic. They started seeing us as potential threats, and this I realized when I was trying to find accommodation during this period. Uh, every time I went looking for a place, the homeowners would tell me it was available, but as soon as they found out that my profession was a healthcare worker working in the COVID unit, they would call me up and say that someone else took the place or the place was now not available. And it made me really sad because all we were trying to do was service to the country.
See, COVID pandemic hit all of us suddenly and rapidly. Challenges we faced were multiple. Right from setting the hospital for COVID patients, where you had to have a separate ward for the COVID patients. We didn't have to mix up the COVID and non-COVID patients was a big challenge. When the pandemic was at its peak, there were many healthcare workers, they were falling sick, they were falling prey to this COVID infection, they were getting hospitalized, some were critical. So the challenge was to boost the morale of your co-workers during such time when the others were repeatedly falling sick. But the staff all coped well and we all continued working despite knowing that we had the risk of ourselves falling sick.
Yes, it's not easy working in a PP for long hours during periods, but we were lucky enough to have more than two doctors on duty at any given point of time, so it made it easier for us to be able to take nature's breaks as and when required.
See, managing COVID patients required the healthcare workers to wear a PPE. So, PPEs was something completely new to us, and to stay in that PPE for almost 8 to 12 hours was very physically exhausting. In that 8 to 12 hours, you couldn't drink water, you couldn't eat food. Doctors were getting syncopal, the doctors, nurses were getting syncopal attacks because of continuously using the face mask. So PP was it was very difficult, especially in the initial phases in the summer times. Gradually we all got used to the PPE. Later on things became easier. But initially, yes, wearing a PPE and working in PPE for 8 to 12 hours was very difficult.
It was quite difficult staying away from home, but I had to do that in order to protect my family. And it was really exhausting knowing that after every duty I had to return to an empty room, not knowing when it would end, not knowing when I would go back to being with my family.
The mental burden that we had was one fear that we would always have in mind was taking the infection back home, wherein we had young children at home, we had our aged parents at home, and so this mental burden always stayed with us. The people had to, doctors had to stay back home, stay back at workplace, and for quarantining themselves. So there, the doctors, the healthcare workers had to stay away from their family for a very long time. That was a mental burden. That was a mental challenge that we faced.
The pandemic caused everyone to have a lot of mental stress, and I used to cope with it by keeping in constant touch with my family and friends, also checking in on my co-workers, getting the support I required from my friends and family, and by also trying to keep myself physically fit by doing some exercises in the room itself, by in starting a protein rich diet and inculcating more fruits in my diet.